Imran started a business with great enthusiasm, but after 5 to 6 months due to a huge deficit, he had to shut down the business. For this reason, he started feeling very sad. And even after a long time, he did not start any other work. The problem of Imran was discovered by Professor Krishnan, who had previously taught him. He called Imran to his house one day and asked, "What is the matter that you are very upset these days?" "No, nothing. I started a job, but the results did not come the way I wanted and I had to stop work, that's why I am a bit worried," Imran said. The professor said, "It keeps happening, what is the matter of being so disappointed in it?" "But I had worked so hard, I was busy with my body, mind, and wealth, then how can I fail?" Imran said with some annoyance. The professor calmed down for a while, then thinking about something, he said, "Imran, follow me, look at this dead tomato plant. It is useless, what is the use of seeing it?" Imran said. The professor said, "When I sowed it, I did everything that was right for it. I watered it from time to time, applied manure, and sprayed pesticides, but still, it was dead." "So what?" said Imran. The professor explained, "No matter how much you try, you cannot decide what happens eventually. Only you can control those things which are in your hands, and you should leave the rest to God." "So what should I do? If success is not guaranteed, then what is the benefit of trying again?" Imran said. "Imran, many people do not try to do something big in their life just by resorting to this excuse that when there is no surety of success, then what is the benefit of trying again?" Professor said. "Yes, people think right. After so much hard work, so much money, and so much time, if success is a matter of chance, then what is the benefit of doing so much?" Imran said while walking out. Wait, before you leave, open this door and see," the professor said, pointing towards a door. Imran opened the door, and in front was a pile of big red tomatoes. "Where did they come from?" Imran asked with surprise. Of course, not all tomato plants had died. If you keep doing the right things continuously, then your chance of getting success increases greatly. But if you sit down in defeat due to two failures, then life does not give you any reward. The professor finished his talk. Imran had now read the lesson of success, he understood what he had to do now, and he came out with a renewed vigor. Friends, like Imran, many people make one of their failures as the reason for not trying any further. And it is true that no matter what we try, we cannot control what will be the outcome, but it is also true that those who are constantly trying to taste success, get it today or tomorrow. She goes. Remember that with every failure, there is a step towards success.